Multiplication of fraction. This is our next topic. Multiplication. There is a rule that is product of fraction. Product of fractions is equals to product of their numerator and upon product of their denominator. This is the rule of formula. We can say product of fraction. For example, 2/3 multiplied by 5/7. This is example 2/3 multiplied by 5/7. So formula is A upon B into C upon D, that is equals to A into C upon B into D, where in these two fractions A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3, C is equals to 5 and D is equals to 7. So 2 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 7 should be equals to 2 into 5 upon 3 into 7. That is 2 5s are 10 and 3 7s are 21. So 10 upon 21 is the answer. If both the numerator and denominator are divisible by same number, so we have to reduce it to the lowest term. If not, then leave it as it is. This is the lowest term. Take another example. 1 3/5 multiplied by 7. So this is in mixed fraction. We have to convert it into improper fraction and then we can multiply it. So first convert it into improper fraction. So what we have to do, this denominator multiplied by this whole number and multiply, you have to add 3 in it. So 5 multiplied by 1 plus 3 and denominator will be written as it is, that is 5. 5 1s are 5 plus 3 upon 5. So it will be 8 upon 5. And 7 can be written as 7 upon 1. When there is nothing in denominator, you can write 1 multiplied by 7 upon 1 multiplied by 7 upon 1. So as per the rule, A upon B multiplied by C upon D. So A upon B, that is 8 upon 5 multiplied by 7 upon 1 is equals to 8 into 7 upon 5 into 1. That is 8 7s are 56 and 5 1s are 5. Another example, 2 1/5 multiplied by 15. So again convert it into improper fraction by multiplying 5 into 2 plus 1 upon 5 multiplied by 15. You can write 15 upon 1. So 5 to the 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 upon 5 multiplied by 15, 15 upon 1. So in multiplication you can cross out like this. 5 and 15 can be divided if they are divisible. 11 and 1 or 11 upon 5. So the numerator can be divided by denominator. Okay, but you cannot divide numerator and numerator or denominator and denominator. Only numerator can be divided by denominator. So this 15 is divisible by 5. So 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. Okay, now what is left here? 11 upon 1 multiplied by 3 upon 1. 11 into 3. As per the rule, as we know that A upon B multiplied by C upon D, that is equals to A into C upon B into D. So 11 into 3 upon 1 into 1, that is no need to write 1 upon 1, 11 into 3 that is 33 upon 1, that is only 33. This is the answer. Exercise 2B, question number 1 is find the question number 1 is find the product. It means we have to multiply those fractions. Now its first part is 3 by 5 multiplied by 7 by 11. This is first fraction, A upon B, and that is C upon D. So 3 upon 5 multiplied by 7 upon 11 is equals to 3 multiplied by 7 upon 5 multiplied by 11. There is nothing that can be divided by 5 or 11, so just multiply them. 3 7s are 21 and 5 11s are 55. So 21 and 55 are not divisible by same number, therefore that is the lowest term. We cannot divide them further, so this is the answer. Next is fourth part of the question is 2 by 5 multiplied by 15. So as we have done an example, if there is nothing in denominator, we can write 1 here. So 2 by 5 multiplied by 15 by 1. Now as we can see that 15 is divisible by 5, so we can cancel them. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Now what is left here? 2 upon 1 and 3 upon 1. Now numerator should be multiplied first. 2 into 3 and 1 into 1. 2 3s are 6 and 1 into 1 1. 6 upon 1, that is 6. Answer is 6. Next is seventh part of the question. 3 1 by 8 multiplied by 16. So convert it into improper fraction first by multiplying them. 8 multiplied by 3 and then add 1 in it upon 8 multiplied by 16. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 25 upon 8 multiplied by 16. We can write it as 16 upon 1. 25 is not divisible by 8, but the 16 is divisible by 8, so we can divide it. 8 1s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. Now what is left here? 25 upon 1 multiplied by 2 upon 1. That can be written as 25 multiplied by 2 upon 1 into 1. 25 2s are 50 and 1 into 1 will be 1. You can write it only 50. Question number 2 is simplify. Second part is 12 by 25 multiplied by 15 by 28 multiplied by 35 by 36. Now if they can be cancelled, we should cancel them first and then we should solve them. So 12 upon 25 into 15 upon 28 into 35 upon 36. So 12, 25 is not divisible by 12. 28 is also not divisible because 12 to the 24, so it is also not divisible, but 36. 12 3s are 36, so we can divide 12 and 36. 12 1s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Now 25 and 15 both are divisible by 5, so we can divide them. 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are 15. Now 5 and 35, that is also divisible. So 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. Now this 3 and this 3, this is in numerator and this is in denominator. We can cancel them. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now here 1 1 1 1, but 7 and 28 are left. 7 is in numerator and 28 is in denominator, so we can cancel them. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. Now only 4 is left in denominator. Rest 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 upon 1 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 1. That is 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 1 4. So it will be 1 by 4. Next, let us solve fourth part of the question. 1 4 by 7 multiplied by 1 13 by 22 multiplied by 1 by 15. This is the question. Now all these three are in mixed fraction. We have to convert them into improper fraction first. So 7 multiplied by 1 plus 4 upon 7 multiplied 22 multiplied by 1 plus 13 upon 22 into 15 multiplied by 1 plus 1 upon 15. So 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. You can write it as 11 upon 7. 11 upon 7 multiplied by 22 into 1, 22 plus 13. So it will be 35 upon 22. Next 15 1s are 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 upon 15. Now cancel those which can be cancelled, like 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So here only 1 into 1 into 8, and denominator 1 into 1 into 3. So 1 into 1 1, 1 into 8 will be 8. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 3 will be 3. So it will be 8 by 3. Now we have to convert it into mixed fraction again. Now no need to show this division. We can do this in rough. So 8 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 left. That is Q, R and D. Now 8 by 3 can be written as 2. This 2 remainder and 3 divisor. So 8 by 3 can also be written as 2 by 3. Question number 3 is find. Find, as we know that in this exercise we have to multiply. Find 1 by 6 of an hour. An hour means 60 minutes. So let us start with question number 9 of this question. 1 by 6 of an hour. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 1 by 6 multiplied by of means product, multiplication sign will be there, of 60. Now we can write as 60 upon 1. This can be cancelled. 6 1 are 6, 6 10 are 60. So 1 into 10 and in denominator 1 into 1. That is 1 into 10 will be 10. 10 upon 1, that is 10. So 1 upon 6 of an hour, and 1 in place of 1 hour we have written 60. So 60 minutes. So answer will be also in minutes. So 1 by 6 of an hour is equals to 10 minutes. Similarly, if they ask you to find 5 by 6 of a year, 1 year is equals to 12 months. So 5 by 6 of 12, you can write 12 upon 1. Now 12 is divisible by 6, so 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. It's 5 into 2 upon 1 into 1. 5 2 is 10 and 1 into 1, 1, that is 10. We have converted 1 year into 12 months, so answer will be also in months. So 5 by 6 of a year is equals to 10 months. Next is 7 by 20 of a kg. So 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Now 7 by 20 multiplied by 1000. So 1 0 is cancelled by 1 0. Now 100 divided by 2. So you can divide and check it in rough. Those who can do directly can do it. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 and 0 can be written as it is. If you are not able to understand this, you can do it like this. 1 0 we have cancelled, so 100 is left here and in denominator 2 is left. 2 5s are 10, 0 brings 0 down, you can shift this 0 here, that is 50. Now 7 upon 1 multiplied by 50. Now 7 5s are 35 and 0. So answer will be in grams because we have converted kg into grams. So 350 grams. 7 by 20 of 1 kg is equals to 350 grams. Next is 7 by 8 of a day. So as we know that one day, there are 24 hours in one day. So 7 by 8 multiplied by 24, because we have converted one day into 24 hours. Now 8 and 24 both are divisible by the same number, so we can cancel them. 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now what is left here? 7 multiplied by 3 upon 1. 7 3s are 21, 21 upon 1 can be written as only 21, 21 hours.